Did you hear about this disaster in Latvia? That's on the eastern side of Europe. In the middle of a city there, a supermarket collapsed. It was actually a building which was celebrated for its design, and it was a very busy public place. But it collapsed, the roof caved in, the walls fell in, everything was falling over, and dozens of people died. I heard a figure that up to 50 people. They don't have an exact count since it just happened. They're clearing up the rubble, but I read in the reports that they were doing additions to the building. They were adding a garden and a playground on a roof. So it's common sense that probably has something to do with the collapse. But I'm a builder. You probably see some of my videos on here lately. I'm doing electric work, I'm doing plumbing. I'm just an all-around jack of all trades. I could build a whole residence from the ground up. And I use various different techniques. So when I hear about this type of thing, this is a major blunder. They don't know what they're doing. Obviously the roof and the support structure underneath it couldn't support the addition up there, and probably they were putting machinery up there, and who knows the exact cause. I mean, they might have put a bulldozer or a dump truck up there. I'm assuming that there was like a parking garage attached and they would access the roof from that area. So it's either with the extra weight, somebody dislodged one of the support columns, or the connections there, the bolts might have gotten sheared, might have just been from the vibration of all the working. So this is my advice to all you folks out there. Hesitate to go into any building, any structure, in any town, any city, if there's work going on. I mean, take a careful look around your surroundings, because this type of thing can happen. It happens in buildings, it happens in railroad tunnels, it happens in highway overpasses. We've seen this now, bridges. Infrastructure is crumbling because we don't build things to last, and because of that, we should be doing a lot more maintenance, which they can't do. Everybody's busy doing the GMP. You know, you got to build, you got to make things, you got to sell things, but they're not concerned about the things that already exist and making sure it doesn't fall apart. I think this is another huge example of it. Dozens of people are going to get killed, hundreds of people, thousands of people. You're going to see this as the civilization starts to crumble more and more. Be safe this holiday shopping season. If you have to go out, if you participate a little bit in the materialism, maybe you've got to get some gifts, mean something to a loved one or family or a child in your life. Just be careful about the buildings you go into. There's a lot of shopping malls, and something else could be going on. Thanks for watching.